Have you ever stood beside a puddle after the rain, not just looked at it, but listened? Children know something most adults forget. A puddle is not just water on the ground, it's a sky mirror, and it has a back door. When you crouch down and peer in, you don't just see clouds upside down. You see yesterday's sky, the one that held your laughter, your tears, your quiet hopes. The puddle doesn't just reflect, it opens, not with a bang, but with a sigh, a tiny ripple, a shift in light. And for 3 seconds, just 3, you feel it. You're not looking at the sky, you're standing inside it. That's the back door, no key needed, just a willing heart to enter. Some say puddles are just rainwater, but children know better. They've seen the way a leaf floats like a boat toward the edge, and how, when it touches the rim, it doesn't sink, it steps through. And sometimes, if you whisper your name just right, the puddle answers not with sound, but with warmth in your chest. As if the sky remembered you, as if the earth said, "I kept a place for you, come home." So next time you see a puddle, don't walk around it. Kneel, breathe, let your reflection soften at the edges, because the most important journeys don't start with big steps. They start with a drop of rain, a moment of stillness, and the courage to believe. The world is still magic, and it's waiting for you to remember how to enter.